Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Shari Bakliwal and I'm making beauty lifestyle and fashion videos. So if you are interested in any of these, you might want to check out my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about a hair oil that has helping me grow my hair faster और मेरे बालों की जो डेंसिटी है वो काफ़ी हेल्प कर रहा है उसको बढ़ाने में और मेरे स्प्लिट एंड्स पे भी थोड़ा बहुत काम कर रहा है. लाइक एज आई एम ग्रोइंग माई हेयर मुझे जो स्प्लिट एंड्स नेचुरली आने चाहिए थे दैट इज़ जस्ट हेल्पिंग मी कि वो मुझे प्रिवेंट करने में हेल्प कर रहा है. तो और इट ऑल्सो हैज़ बीन हेल्पिंग मी with my dandruff issues because during this monsoon season my scalp and my hair is just so frizzy and so dry or my scalp just don't behave well, but this oil is helping me a lot. I have not styled my hair today, so I have not used any heat on my hair, so this is like the natural condition. Now without just wasting any more time, I am going to give you the recipe that I have been making for an year almost for my hair growth. Now बीच में मैंने अपने बाल कटा दिए थे because I was just feeling like it. There was nothing bad. I will show you picture कि मेरे बाल पहले कैसे थे और बट कटाने के बाद तो you can see. I actually chopped my hair till here and this is the oil I have been using continuously except rice water. I use rice water once a month. I have made a video on rice water right here, so you can check it out. Without just wasting any more time now, let's just get started with the video. Okay, let's start with the recipe. You need 4 ingredients for that. First, you need coconut oil or any oil will do, like almond oil, olive oil, whatever. Second ingredient is we need hibiscus flower and if possible leaves also. The third ingredient is curry leaves and fenugreek seeds. Now in order to make the oil, we have to cook all the ingredients after heating up the coconut oil. Make sure you remove all the middle parts from the flowers and only use petals. Now the combination of these 4 ingredients promotes hair growth, adds shine, control hair loss, prevent premature graying, clear dandruff, repair hair damage, assist with dry and frizz, maintain scalp health and strengthen the roots, and it also fights the scalp infections. Now after you have added all the ingredients, you have to make sure कि आप उसको अच्छे से stir कर रहे हो ताकि oil जले ना, और make sure कि आप उसको अच्छे से cook करो तब तक कि सारे flowers और सारे ingredients का कलर डल हो गया हो. दैट विल मेक श्योर कि आपका सारा मिक्सचर रेडी है, आपका ऑयल रेडी है. नाउ लेट इट कूल डाउन एंड लेट इट सिट फॉर एन आवर. आफ्टर दैट you can strain it into a jar. I call this a miracle oil because you have to make it once a month. Matlab, I like to make it once a month and store it for a month. You can store it however long you want and it will do its job perfectly and beautifully, and my hair is growing super fast, super shiny. I am just in love with this oil. It's been an year I have been using this oil and I am going to promote this hair oil so much because it deserves it. Now here you can see I'm adding more oil so that the ratio is equal to the oil that we made and some coconut oil. And coconut oil actually helps to nourish your hair a lot. It is a natural conditioner to your hair, so it is really good to add more coconut oil and that will work on your strength of your hair, and whereas the oil that we made will work on our scalp. Let me know if you try this recipe and if you feel any difference in your hair after applying this hair oil, because I saw the difference instantly. Okay, so that's it for this video. So this was my recipe. It has been helping me with my hair growth, and usually I just apply this oil and it makes my hair super shiny and lustrous, and that is mainly the goal of mine. So yeah, if you want the thickness of your hair, if you want to prevent the hair fall, dandruff, if you want lustrous hair and whatnot, if you want healthy hair basically, try this hair oil out. And if you do, let me know in the comment section below. Hit that like button if this works for you and subscribe to my channel for more such kind of videos. Hit that notification bell as well so that every time I will upload a video you will get notified with that. It's a wrap. Bye.